Welcome to this video on publication ethics. These principles and guidelines are essential to ensure the integrity, reliability, and transparency of scholarly communication and the research process. Why are publication ethics so important? They safeguard the credibility of researchers and their institutions, foster public trust in published findings, and are vital for professional career advancement in academia. Academic integrity is central to research. Plagiarism, or presenting others' work as your own, is a serious violation. Best practices include proper citations, using quotation marks, and paraphrasing. Additionally, be aware that self-plagiarism, reusing your own previously published work without disclosure, is also considered a violation. Authorship carries specific guidelines and responsibilities. Criteria for authorship include significant contributions to the work. Authors are responsible for accuracy, permissions, and declaring conflicts of interest. Furthermore, authorship order should reflect the relative contributions made, while acknowledgments are used for those who provided assistance but do not meet formal authorship criteria. Conflicts of interest must be disclosed to maintain objectivity. This includes financial ties, funding sources, and personal or professional relationships that could potentially influence the research process. The peer review process requires strict ethical standards. This includes selecting reviewers based on expertise without conflicts, maintaining the confidentiality of the manuscript, and providing fair, unbiased, and constructive feedback. Research misconduct, such as the fabrication or falsification of data and results, is a severe violation of ethics. Additionally, researchers have a moral imperative to ensure the ethical treatment and protection of all research participants. To conclude, remember these key takeaways. Uphold integrity to maintain research credibility, take full accountability for ethical conduct, and engage in continuous improvement to evolve best practices in research and publishing.